Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey of language learning adventures. If you've ever dreamt of speaking a new language, then this is the channel for you. I'm Belal Hossein, your language guide and fellow explorer. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our linguistic escapades. Now, let's get started. Language learning is like picking a destination for your adventure. There are countless languages to explore, each with its unique charm and cultural heritage. Whether you're fascinated by the romance of French, the precision of German, or the fluidity of Spanish, we'll help you choose the perfect language for your journey. Just like any adventurer, you'll need the right tools for your trip. In your language toolkit, you'll find interactive apps, phrasebooks, flashcards, and a notebook to jot down new words and expressions. Oh, and of course, a sense of curiosity and a passion for learning. Every great adventure begins with clear goals. Let's set some achievable language learning objectives together. Whether it's mastering essential phrases for travel or becoming conversational, having a roadmap will keep you motivated and on track. Learning a language isn't just about memorizing words, it's about diving into the culture too. We'll take you on cultural tours, exploring traditional customs, celebrations, and even tasting delicious cuisine. After all, language and culture go hand in hand. Say goodbye to boring language lessons. Our adventures are all about fun and interactive learning. We'll play games, do role plays, and have engaging conversations to practice speaking. Learning should be an enjoyable experience. Every adventurer faces challenges, and language learning is no exception. Don't worry, we've got your back. We'll share tips and strategies to overcome common hurdles like pronunciation, grammar, and language-specific nuances. Our language learning journey wouldn't be complete without meeting experts. We'll invite native speakers and language teachers to share their insights, give useful advice, and even conduct live Q&A sessions to help you along the way. As you progress on your language learning adventure, we'll be right here, cheering you on. We'll celebrate your achievements, big or small, and create a supportive community of fellow language enthusiasts. Well, that concludes our introduction to language learning adventures. I hope you're as excited as I am about this incredible journey we're about to embark upon. Remember, with dedication and a sense of adventure, you can achieve fluency in any language you desire. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of languages? If the answer is a resounding yes, then click that subscribe button and join our language learning community. Until our next adventure, remember to embrace